Hello everyone. Today we shall look into Enlighten Aquarium in custom visual. I have updated my Enlighten Aquarium from the marketplace. You can get the visual from Get More Visuals. This is my Enlighten Aquarium visual. Once I click on it, you could see this values fields which are required, like fish, school, fish size, speed, and y-axis. Here we have very limited options to use it. We have only two fields where we can use it. One is in the fish. Suppose that I have my supermart data. I input the categorical values as category in the fish. Once I choose the sales, you could see that my fish size is updated by sales. You could see in the visual that my fish size is dependent on the sum of sales. And suppose that I want to view the profit, I can click on the profit. You could see that my profit are the small triangle shaped fishes. Once you hover on it, you can see the tooltip. Okay, you can see the values based upon the size. That is the reason why it is fish size. It has very limited options in formatting settings. I'll show you the format settings. Let us go to format settings over here. Suppose that okay, this is the theme, and there are only two themes. If you want to see another theme of seafloor, we need license actually. So we won't be able to use until we have license, and there are very limited options, and it is very not feasible to use professionally. In the professional version of this aquarium, there are few other other options. Suppose that even this school, it is the profit and sales kind of thing based upon size which we provided. Okay, this round fish, suppose that I want to make it triangle fish, I can make it. Now you could see as you hover over it, the categorical values which is representing the sales, it is made into triangle fish. I could change the shape as like sharks. The little ones, you could see that it is made into sharks. This is the only setting which is available in the school. Apart from that, outline, you could see this black outline. You could turn it off or you could turn it on. And in the fish size, you could vary the fixed fish size accordingly. Suppose that I increase as 1, you could see that these are very large values. Suppose that I wanted to increase only like 0.5, it is very high. I would increase 0.09. Actually, these values, it is not much useful, but you could, of course, the sales and profit values, the size is varying. Based upon that, you could decide accordingly whether you want to vary the size based upon this area, or whether you want to vary the size upon the length. You could understand and vary it. Suppose that I want to change upon the area, you could see that there is increase in the area. Okay, I could like make it as length, so that it is decided on lengthwise. Here I won't be able to enable the data labels, because again we need this upgrade feature. Okay, it has these limitations, and it is very good to have these custom visuals. You could explore, and thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.